Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn and Travel with Shuchishmita. In the previous part, we solved till question 4 and now in this part we will solve from question 5. See question 5. Find the actual lower class limits, upper class limits and mid values of the classes this. Okay, so here are the class 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49. Here this is the inclusive distribution. So we have to convert the exclusive distribution. So after adjustment we will get this column. So now we know we subtract 10, we subtract the adjustment factor, this is here 0.5 from 10 and then add to 19. So we will get 9.5 to 19.5. Then similarly 20 minus 0.5, 19.5 and 29 plus 0.5, this will be 29.5. Then 29.5 to 39.5 and then 39.5 to 49.5. In this class you see 9.5 to 19.5. Here the lower class limit 9.5, upper class limit 19.5 and the mid value we know mid value is upper class limit plus lower class limit by 2. Okay, so this is 14.5. In the class 19.5 to 29.5, lower class limit 19.5 and upper class limit is 29.5 and mid value 29.5 plus 19.5 by 2. So this is 49 by 2, this is 24.5. In the class 29.5 to 39.5, here actual lower class limit is 29.5 and upper class limit 39.5. Mid value is 39.5 plus 29.5 by 2. So this is 69 by 2. So 34.5. And in the class 39.5 to 49.5, lower class limit 39.5 and upper class limit 49.5. Mid value the sum of lower limit and upper class limit by 2. So this will be 89 by 2 and 44.5. Now question number 6. Here you see the class is here 1.1 to 2.0, 2.1 to 3, 3.1 to 4. Okay, so here this is the so this is the class interval and after adjustment the class interval, actual class interval is here the adjustment factor 0.5. So we subtract 1.1 0.5 from 1.1, so we will get 0.6. Okay, 0.6 to 2.5. Okay, now (2.1) minus 5 this 6 1.6 3.5. So here you see the actual lower and actual upper class limits. Okay, so this is 1.1 to 2 and 2.1 to 3, 3.1 to 4. Okay, so here you see in question number 6, in the class 1.1 to 2.0, the lower class limit is 1.1 and upper class limit is here 2. Okay, and class mark will be 2 plus 1.1 by 2. This is 3.1 by 2, 1.55. Okay, now in the class 2.1 to 3, here lower class limit is 2.1 and upper class limit 3, and the class mark is mid value, that is 3 plus 2.1 by 2, 5.1 by 2. Okay, this will be 2.55. Here we can't convert the inclusive distribution to exclusive distribution. Okay, so now we solve in this process. Okay, so question number 7, use the table given below to find the actual class limit of the 4th class, the class boundaries of the 6th class, and so on. So first class interval is here. Interval, you notice this class interval in the form of inclusive distribution. Okay, so we have to convert to the exclusive distribution. So actual class interval, and then frequency is here. So this is the frequency table. Okay, so class interval is here. You see 30 to 34, 35 to 39, 40 to 44, 45 to 49, 50 to 54, 55 to 59. Okay, so here you see the actual class limit is 29.5 to 34.5. Okay, we subtract 0.5 from 30 and add 0.5 to 34. Now this will be 34.5 to 39.5, and this is 39.5 at 0.5 to 44. This will be 44.5. 44.5 to 49.5. This is 49.5 to 54.5. This is 54.5 to 59.5. Okay, so here you see the frequency 7, 10, 12, 13, 8 and 4. Now question number A, actual class limit of the fourth class. Here fourth class 45 to 49. That means 44.5 to 49.5. Here actual class limit is 44. Lower class limit is here 44.5 and upper class limit 49.5. So the actual class limit of the fourth class, that means after adjustment, this will be 44.5 to 49.5. Okay. Now the class boundaries of the sixth class. Sixth class is here 55 to 59. Okay, here class boundaries of sixth class is 54.5 to 59.5. Now see the class mark of the third class. Class mark we know the mid value, third class 39.5 plus 44.5 by 2. Okay, we know the upper class limit plus lower class limit by 2. So this is 84 by 2, 42. Okay, now question number D, upper and lower limits of the fifth class. Upper limit fifth class 54.5 and the lower limit of fifth class 49.5. Okay, now E, the size of the third class. Equals to 44.5 minus 39.5, the difference between upper limit and lower limit. Okay, so this is 5. Okay, now question number 8, construct a cumulative frequency distribution table from the frequency table given below. Okay, so here class interval here you notice this is the exclusive distribution table. Okay, so here the lower limit and the upper limit of previous class and lower limit of next class does not coincide. Okay, sorry, lower limit and upper limit coincide. That means this is the exclusive distribution. Okay, so here class interval this is the class interval, and this is frequency, and this is frequency, and this is cumulative frequency. Okay, so here you see the class interval 0 to 8, 8 to 16, 16 to 24, 24 to 32, 32 to 40. These are exclusive distribution. So here coincide, lower limit and upper limit overlap. Okay, so now here frequency 0 to, from 0 to 8, 9, then 13, then 12, 7 and 15. Okay, now cumulative frequency, we know, we can write here first value. Okay, then add 9 and 13. Okay, 22. Then add 22 with 12, so this will be 34. Okay, so this will be 34. Then add 34 to 7, so this is 41, and 41 to 50, add, then we will get 56. Okay, now question number 2. This is question number 1 and question number 2. You see class interval 1 to 10. This is the inclusive distribution. So we have to convert this inclusive distribution to exclusive distribution. So here class interval then actual class interval, then this is the table of frequency, and this is the cumulative frequency. Okay, so here you see the cumulative frequency distribution table is, okay, class interval 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40, 41 to 50. Okay, now we have to convert the exclusive distribution. So the actual class interval will be 0.5 to 10.5. Subtract 0.5 from 1 and add 0.5 to 10. This will be 10.5 and add 0.5 with 20, 20.5. This is 20.5, this is 30.5, this is 30.5 to 40.5, and this is 40.5 to 50.5. Okay, frequency is here 12, 18, 23, 15 and 10. Then cumulative frequency will be, first we write 12 here. Okay, then add 12 and 18, so we will get 30. Then 30 to 30 and 23, 53, 53 plus 15, 68. Then 68 and 10 we add here, then we will get 78. Okay, now question number 9. construct a frequency distribution table from the following cumulative frequency distribution. Okay, so here the frequency distribution table is the frequency distribution table is the class interval. You see here this is the inclusive distribution, so we have to convert exclusive distribution. So actual class interval, then frequency, and this is the cumulative frequency. Okay, now class interval is here 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, and 40 to 49. So now we subtract 0.5 from 10, so we will get 9.5. This is 19.5. We add 0.5 with 19, then this will be 19.5. This is 29.5. This is 29.5 to 39.5. This is 39.5 to 49.5. Here frequency 8, 19, 23 and 30. Then cumulative frequency, first we write here 8, then add 8 with 19. Okay, sorry, here you notice here the cumulative frequency table you see. Okay, so sorry, this is the cumulative frequency table. Okay, so 8, 19, 23 and 30. When we calculate the cumulative frequency table, then we add one value with next value. In the frequency table, we will find the frequency. So here we subtract the next value, okay, from this value from next value. Okay, so here first we will write here 8, then subtract 8 from 19. Okay, now we will get 11, then 23. Okay, we will subtract 19 from 23, so we will get 4, then 30, difference between 30 and 23 will be 7. Okay, now question number, this is question 1 and question 2. You see class interval, this is the exclusive distribution table, so we don't need to convert. Okay, and this is the cumulative frequency, so we have to find the frequency table. Okay, frequency, so 1 2 3 4 5. Here you see the table is 5 to 10, the class interval 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25 and 25 to 30. So cumulative frequency is here 18, 30, 46, 73, okay, 73 and 90. Here first we write 18, then subtract 18 from 30, okay. So we will get here, you see, 12, then 30 from 46, so we will get 16, then 46 from 73, 27, and 90 minus 73 will be 17. Okay, now question number 10. Construct a frequency table from the following data. Here marks, okay, means this is the class interval and number of student means frequency, and also we have to find cumulative frequency. So here you see less than 10, that means 0 to 10. The class interval will be 0 to 10. Then less than 20, that means 10 to 20. Okay, so this is 20 to 30. Less than 40, 30 to 40, and 40 to 50, and less than 60 means 50 to 60. Okay, so here you see the frequency is 6, 15, 30, 39, 53 and 70. Okay, so cumulative frequency will be, first we write here 6, then add 50 plus 6, this is 22. Okay, frequency table from the following, 6 plus 15 will be 22, and 22 to 30 will be here 52, 52, 39, 91, and 91 plus 53 will be 144. 144 plus 70 will be 214. Okay, so see less than 10, less than 20, construct a frequency table from the following data. So here number of students are here these, and this is the cumulative frequency. Okay, so sorry, this is the cumulative frequency. Okay, so here you see the cumulative frequency is here 6, 15, 30, 39, 53 and 70. So we have to find here frequency table. Okay, now first we write here 6, then subtract 6 from 15, so this will be 9. Okay, then 30 minus 15, 15, 39 minus 39 and 53 minus 39 is 14, 70 minus 53, 17. We have to find frequency. This is the frequency. Number of students is here cumulative frequency. Okay, now question number 11. Construct the frequency distribution table from the following cumulative frequency table. Okay, so here you see ages, this is the class, and also number of students. Okay, that means this is the cumulative frequency table. Okay, so here you see the class below 4, that means 0 to 4, below 7, 4 to 7, below 10, 7 to 10, below 13, 10 to 13, and below 16, 13 to 16. Okay, so here you notice cumulative frequency 0, 85, 140, 243 and 300. Okay, so here first question, state the number of students in the age group 10 to 13. So here 10 to 13, the number of students is 243. Okay, here you see 10 to 13, the number of students 243. So the number of students in the age group 10 to 13 is 243. Question number 2, state the age group which has the least number of students. So here you notice the least number of students is here. So here this is the number of students. Okay, and so here we have to find the frequency table. This is the cumulative frequency, this is not the number of students. Okay, so we have to find the frequency table. Frequency. Okay, frequency table. So first we write here 0, then subtract 0 from 85, this will be 85, 140 minus 85 will be 55, 243 minus 140 will be 301, 300 to 243 will be 75. So here you notice the number of students in the age group 10 to 13, this will be 103. Okay, not 243, this will be 103. So So number of students is the frequency. Question number 2, age group which has the least number of student. Here you see the least number of student is 55. Okay, it's not possible, 0 is not possible, but the least number will be 55. So here the least number of students in the group 7 to 10 is 55. Now question number 12, fill in the blanks in the following table. So class interval is here, and the frequency table and the cumulative frequency. Okay, CF. So first interval is here 25 to 34. Okay, so here you notice this is the inclusive distribution, so we have to convert exclusive distribution. So question number 12, this is the class interval and this is the actual class interval. Okay, so here you notice 25 to 34, 35 to 44, 45 to 54, 55 to 64, 65 to 74, 75 to 84. So now this is the table. So actual cumulative frequency will be, now we subtract 0.5 from 25, then this will be 24.5, this is 34.5, and this will be 34.5 to 44.5, then subtract 0.5 from 45, this will be 44.5, and add 54 with 5.5, then 54.5, 54.5 to 64.5, 64.5 to 74.5, and this will be 74.5 to 84.5. Here you see the frequency is blank in first row and cumulative frequency 15, in second row 28. So here we write 15. Okay, the first value we can write here. Now for frequency we have to subtract 15 from 28, so we will get 13. Okay, now here 21 and 16, so we add 28 and 21, we add here. Okay, so we will get 949, then add to 49 plus 60, 65. Okay, now the next row cumulative frequency 73, so we subtract this number. Okay, 73 minus 65 will be 8, and then 12 is in frequency table, so we add here 73 plus 12, we can find 585. Okay, now question number 13, the value of pi up to 50 decimal places is this. Okay, 3.1415 dot dot. Make a frequency distribution table of the digits from 0 to 9 after the decimal places. Okay, so after decimal places the digits are, the digits from 0 to 9 will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, now frequency is here. See 0, how many times 0 will occur? So 1 or 2 times, so frequency is 2. 1, you count here, 1 will come 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 times. 2, you count 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 3 is here after decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. Okay, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. Okay, which are the most and the least occurring digits? Okay, so here we get a frequency distribution table. Now question number 2, which are the most and least occurring digits? So most occurring digit is here 3, okay, 8 times and also 9. So most occurring digits are 3 and 9. Okay, now least occurring digits are least occurring only 0, 2 times. So is 0. Okay, now we finished this chapter. Okay.